Nakaharapon yung sendak mo dito, di ba? Okay. In the middle. Number 60. 65. Taranda. Number 25. Castros brother. Happy birthday. Let's go. Jumbo. By Andrew Paul. It's great ball. Next possession got. Batan to Will to Karandang, take a shot, miss it. Rebounded by Batam, takes a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Cortez. Oh, there's a what a game! What a hustle by Lakim. Cortez bringing the ball to Praga. No. To Reggie Puerto, takes a shot, miss it. Gasses. Oh, what a block by Karandang. Batan to Peko picks. It's a troubling violation called by the referee. Lapo. Pader to Puerto in the middle. Puerto pointing. Puerto to Pader fakes. Pader to Castros takes a shot. Ooh, nothing but net. Very shiny Castros. What a shot. Peko dribbles. Peko to Batan takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Peko. Miss it again. Willie takes a shot. Miss it again. Wow, breakaway by Pader. Huwag na kayo mahabol. Oh, 2 points by Pader. 4-0. Number 16, Pader. 2 points. 82. Labuhon. To Pader again. Pader dribbling the ball. To Cortez. Hustle by Karandang dribbling the ball. Karandang to Batan. Batan loses the ball. Batan recover the ball. Batan to Karandang takes a shot and miss it. Another shot by Karandang. Wow. Offensive follow-up by Karandang and makes it. Pader to Cortez. Oh, what a hustle by Willie. Willie, the hustle man. Peko, 1 shot. Miss it again. Pader rebounded. Pader dribbled the ball. Pader in the middle. Wow. Laid it up and miss it. Willie to Karandang to Lambon to Batan. Oh, in and out by Batan. Another Batan. Oh, there's a foul. Number 42, Cortez foul. Shooting foul. See the shooting foul, ref? No. Okay. Inbound. To Peko fakes. And miss it. Will to the rebound. What a shot. Sino? Batan taking it. Number 92. It's all 4. It's a tie game. Cortez to Pader. Pader takes a 3. Oh, in and out by Pader. Oh, Cortez hustle the ball. Cortez takes it up and miss it. Cortez again. Batan hustle the ball. Batan to Peko all alone and lays it up. Wow, what an easy layup by Peko. Left-handed layup by Peko. Puerto drilling the ball in the middle. Puerto to Castros brothers. Miss it. Batan to Peko. Oh, loose ball. It's black ball. 6-4. It's a 2-point game. Puerto takes a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Cortez to Castros Gastos ball down. It's black ball. Black possession. Oh, may time. Father to Puerto. And miss it. Batan to Peko. 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 Wow! It's a random on the ring. Cortez. Cortez. Cortez dribble. Cortez. Drives. What a pass. What a... Oh! Missed by Castres. Who's forward? Okay, white ball. In and out by Castres. Lambon. Lambon. To Karandang. Karandang. Tupatan! Woo! What a play! What a play! By Karandang Tupatan. Puerto. It's 8-4. Puerto. Puerto. Puerto to Father. Father takes a 3. Oh, miss it again. Karandang. Karandang to Peko. Peko. Wala. Habol. Too strong to pass by Peko. Okay. 11 minutes. 9 minutes. 9 minutes and 18 seconds left. 9 minutes and 15 seconds left. Okay, okay. 4-8. It's a 4-point game. What a play by Father. Kaya by Cortez. 6-4 pa rin. Sunod, sunod. 6-4. 4 point. 6-8, 6-8. Yeah, 6-8, 6-8. Sorry. 6-8. Oh, there's a foul. Castus, the birthday boy, foul. Yeah. Oh, pares yung time out. Sino una? Kayo na una eh. Kayo na una eh. Sila na una eh. Hindi. Oh, nakashoot. Okay, 1 point pa rin, 1 point. Tulog eh. Oh, miss. Oh, rebounded by... Who's forward? White ball. It's white ball. Last ball black. Last touch. Karandang to Willie. Willie to Batan. Wow! Miss it by Batan. A close range shot by Batan. Almost but not in. Nice shot, Batan. Father living the ball. Father. To Bastes, to Puerto. Kick out to Puerto. Woo! 3 points by Puerto. Mani. 9-0. It's a tie game. Karandang dribbling the ball. Karandang. Oh, Batan. Karandang kasi. Oh, napaganda pa ang sabi ng table. Napakaganda pa, Karandang. Father, dribbling the ball. Father, oh, what a crossover of Father. Lose the ball. Will.
Nice.
Time out! Black the clock. Para score, 11-9. 11-9, score, 11-9. Naka-score ba? Naka-shoot. Masok. 11-9. Na-score mo na ba? Okay. So 11-9. It's a 2-point game. Okay? It's a 2-point game. Agree? It's a 2-point game. Kuya Isko, alibro. Yosi muna tayo, Kuya Isko. Balik-baliktad pa talaga, ano? Talagang ano, ha? Parang galing siya ano to, ha? Anong planeta? It's 2-point game. Dokitan, the leader. Dokitan dribbling the ball. To Terencio. To Rapi. Mane! 11, Rapi, the money, trigger man. 3 point. 12-11. 12-11. Batan. 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 To Garduque. Garduque dribble the ball. To Cristobal takes a shot. Misses. Rebounded by Batan. Woo! What a shot by Batan! Will got the hustle. Will got the hustle. Will to Batan again. Batan. Batan fakes to Will. Will. Oh. There's a foul. What's foul? Number 74 foul. Number 74. Yeah, 74 Dokita. Foul. Garduque to Cristobal. Rebounded by number 3. Rebound the ball to Rapi. Rapi got fouled by Batan. Batan lays it up. Garduque getting the ball. Number 12, Hipolito drives to Garduque. There's a foul. Number 75 foul. Who was foul? 74 foul. Sorry, 74 foul. 2 shots. Lay up yun eh. So white team no foul yet. White team, no team foul. Warning ang black. Oh, miss the second one. Nieva to Terencio. Terencio to Rapi. Rapi takes a shot. Bang, bang. Rapi, the second 3 point. Back to back by Rapi got the hustle. To Kuya Isko. There's a foul. Number 12. Madulas dun. May foul there dun. Baka kailangan nyo yun. Time out. Time out daw eh. Time out. Why?
Alikabok.
Para may madulas dun.
Alikabok.
Meron ng powder dyan.
Nag-powder.
May nag-makeup. Sino yung maganda rito? Yung mga nasa bench doon, magaganda. Baka nag-makeup kayo doon. Yung mga magaganda dyan. Kaway-kaway lang.
Parang mantiga. Ulas yan, matidisgrasya tayo. Dapat yung map.
Okay, it's white. It's black ball, right? It's black ball.
Daming bata dyan.
Technical timeout by the committee. Okay, hold the ball. Delicado. Yun. Rolly, the map. Brought to you by Rolly, the mapper. Thank you so much, Rolly. Floor manager. Nasaan na yung mga babes natin? Nandun sa bench. All good? Oh, testing. Tignan nyo, testing. Testing yun. Ha? Dapat basa-basahan ng konti. Okay. Black hole. Andy to Nieva. Lose the ball. To Ali again. To Isko. Takes the shot. In and out by Kuya Isko. Rebounded by Garduque. Garduque dribbling the ball. Garduque to Hipolito dribble. Hipolito to... Wow! Nating bagnet. Raul, side lang. Raul, the side lang. Cristobal. Nothing by net by Cristobal. Derecho. Tarenzo to Yerba. Yerba takes a shot. And in. Cow high shot. The cow high shot. It's all 17. All 17. 3 minutes and 27 seconds to go. Captain Bo. Nakalagay dito, all 17. Ayo. 17. O, 2 points doon. Si Raul. 1970. Ano yun?
Huwag matulog ha!
Ayun. Rapi to Tereno. Tamaan din yung sa shot. Garduque. Picked by Yerba. Oh, missed by Yerba. Rebounded by Karandang to Hipolito. Hipolito lose the ball. Hipolito dribbles. Hipolito to Karandang to Garduque. Oh, missed the shot by Garduque. Yerba. Ani. Rapi Bundalian. The gunner. Yerba. Hasil by Karandang got the ball. Oh, too high for Cristobal. 18 tatlo pala yung Gray. 18 lang. 18. Sabi niya, kinarat niya, 18 lang. 18-17. Okay, balik na. 18-17. Okay, Rapi Bulagan. Kukuya Isko turn around. Isko to Terencio drives and lays it up and miss it. Garduque got the rebound. Karandang dribbling the ball. Karandang. Oh, look the ball. The ball is stuck. Oh! Tawato Roland Tain. Ato takes a shot. Oh! Nothing but air. Terencio. Kukuya Isko. To Rapi. Oh, how did by Hipolito? Takes a shot. And miss it. Dokitan got the hustle. Yerba to Terencio. To Isko. Easy to by Kuya Isko. Walang bantay. It's a 1-point game. 19-18. Karandang. To Bautista. Nahuli. Karandang takes it. Rapi got the rebound. Rapi to Yerba in the middle. Yerba. Crossover. Yerba. Lays it up. And miss it. Ang ganda sana. Karandang to Bautista. Ay, Cristobal makes it. The side lang. Cristobal, side lang. Let's go, please. Oh, lose the ball. To Cristobal, oh, the tabi. Rapi takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Karanda. Lose. Gonna be black ball. Okay. Where's up? 19 and 20. It's a 1-point game. In favor of black. Assist. Black ang ano, di ba? Black ang lamang, di ba? Okay. 1-point game. Black. 20 minutes daw. 20 minutes.
Siguro mga...
Running time. 20 minutes.
Or 3.
Ito ngayon.
May bonus yun. Wala.
20 minutes, second half. 20 minutes, second half. 20. Yeah, there we go.
Ay, kasi yung mga mananalo.
Wala yung usapan eh. Basta wala ang narinig.
So, bathroom break ng committee, ha? Referee, bathroom break ng committee. Bathroom break.
Kasi ang galing magaling. Black. Black. Kami? Black kami? Baka 20 minutes na. Baka 20 minutes na. Hindi, 20 minutes daw yung second half. Kasi masyado daw.
Blackbo. District, determine ng Blackbo lang. Sorry nga, depensa kayo dyan. Wala pa yung mabiti. Bathroom break, teka lang. Teka lang, ref. Ref. Teka lang. Bathroom break. Bathroom break.
Kasama ba ito sa inyo? Kayo magkakasama? Magkakasama ka natin. Kasama tayo. Ano ko tayo na? Game daw. Second daw. Second na. Second pala kayo. Second na rin kayo.
Okay, 20 dito, 20 doon. Ano mo sarili mo eh? Okay, all good. Left. Awasyon na. Okay, Lako. Oh, next possession. White. Father in the middle. Father to Cortez. Cortez takes a shot and misses. Rebounded by Bata. The best player of Bata. Cortez got the ball. Breaks. Oh, miss it. Rebounded by Puerto. Puerto takes a shot. In and out, but in again. 2 points by Puerto. Para 2 points yun ha. 22-19. 22-19. Tutulog. Pare, 19 seconds. 19. Just say. Yeah. Who's problem? 58. Teka lang. 58 foul. 58. Okay. Good. Nice shot. Thanks. Yeah. Timer. Natutulog. Wow! Peko! Side banda. Tutupon. Cortez. Oh, what a shot by Cortez. Nakashoot. Cortez. 24-21. Batan. There's a foul. Was foul, right? What? No. Ano pare? Jump? Okay. Jump. So it's white ball. So next possession block. Okay, 2 points by Batan. Ano yung score? Nagkakagulo-gulo ha? All 23. Kanina pa. Lambon to Will. Will, what a play by Will. Air Voyager Will. What a shot. Ano ka pamakaan? Nagugula na ako sa 26. Kanina ko pa. Teka muna. Hindi niya na shit wings. Dito nga yung kasi. Teka. Ayun sila score. Ang ano? May isang grade. Ano? 23 ang lang. Tama. Ito 23 lang. 23. Tama siya pare. Hindi. Ito, black dito, ha? Gray dito, okay? Yung 26, gray. 23 black. Okay, good. Magulo. Huwag na kayo makialam dito.
Ay.
2 points. Number 48. 25, 26. 1 point. Favor of Gray. Karandang, Rito. To Lambon. Lambon in the middle. Lace it up. Miss it. Rebounded by Puerto. Number 58. Got the ball. To Puerto again. Puerto to Cortez. Cortez, dribble the ball. Cortez. Wow, to Pader. Pader takes a shot. Air ball by Pader. It's white ball. Lambon dribbling the ball. It's a 1 point game. Oh, loses the ball. Oh, wala siya by Pader. Nice defense, Pader. Keep it up. Keep it up. Cortez dribbling the ball. Cortez to Pader. What a pass. Another Karandang. Castres. There's a foul. Lambon foul. Number 82. Reach in at the back. Nice goal, Rep. 2 shot by Castres. 26-25. Nice shot. All 26, Castres. Another shot. Oh, missed by Karandang got the rebound. Karandang dribbling the ball with a momentum. Karandang to Preko bench takes a shot and makes it. What a play by Preko. Cortez, hustle by Lambon. Cortez dribbling the ball to Pader in the middle. Pader drives. Pader takes a shot and misses. Karandang again. Karandang got the momentum to Lambon. Lambon lays it up and miss it. Oh, there's a foul. What a miss by Lambon. Lambon by. Score 28-26. It's 2 point game. It's white ball. White ball over there. White ball. Lambon in the inbound. Lambon to Batan. In and out. Rebounded by Batan again. Batan. Well, Peko turns around. Peko to the ball. Oh, what's going on? It's white ball. It's white ball. Karandang. Oh, miss it. Rebounded by Castres. Got my Pader. Whoa, what a turnaround by Pader. There's a foul. Who's fouled? Number 65. First foul by Karandang. Second team foul. Pader to Puerto. Puerto takes a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Will. Will into Preko. Will that. Oh, look at the ball. What a defense by Pader. Another good defense by Pader. Pader dribbling the ball. Pader Will got the live ball. Oh, Puerto. Oh, it's black ball. Timeout. Black. It's black ball, rep. Timeout. Black. It's 13 minutes and 5 seconds left. It's a 2 point game in favor of white. In favor of Batan. 28-26. 2 point game. Dikit ang laban. Ano ba nasabi mo? Kailangan ng 5-6.
Dikdikan ang dikitan.
Dikitan. Kailangan na ng pautang.
Mataas na ang interest mo yun eh.
Mataas na ang interest. Commissioner, ang pogi mo. Okay. It's a 2 point game. Okay. Black ball. Next possession, white. Possession, white. Oh, base by Derba. Willie. Cristobal, takbong mayaman. Woo! 2 points by Cristobal again. Dokitan takes a shot. Woo!
Yeah.
What a shot by Dokitan. Oh, Cristobal again. Pick. Woo! What a shot. What a pick by Cristobal. Back to back. Cristobal. It's 32-28. It's a 4-point game. Dokitan again. Dokitan to Castres and misses. Rebounded by Will. Will again. To Hipólito. Cristobal missed the shot. Cristobal rebounded. Cristobal to Hipólito. Hipólito takes. Oh, there you go by Hipólito. 2-point game. Momentum by the white team. That's a 4-point game. It's a 6-point game. It's momentum by the white team. Yerba, you're at the ball. Dokitan Jaworski. Oh, missed the shot. Will got the rebound. Will got the rebound again. Looking the ball. Will. To Hipólito. Loses the shoe. Natanggal na tapato sa diving. Kevin Durant. Dokitan to Terecho, flipping the ball. Legs it up. Wow, Terecho si Terecho. Number 28. Sabi niyo Terecho. Okay, Terecho. Garduke being visit. Rebound and miss. Dokitan got the rebound. Yerba. It's a 4-point game. Yerba in the middle. It's a 4-point game. Yerba. To Dokitan again. What a pass. Loose ball. Shining to shiny pass. What's a shiny game? Hipólito dribling the ball. To Garduke. Ooh, what a shot by Garduke. Hipólito. To Orendain, takes a shot. Oh, missed by Orendain. Rebound was ball back. White ball called by the referee. It's a 4-point game. Black ball by the referee. Apo dribbling the ball. Terecho. Oh, got him. Wait for it. Oh, lose the ball. Oh, what a really. Side lang. Oh, wait it up by side lang. Rebounded by Dokitan. Oh, Dokitan na lose ball. To side lang. Wow, another 2 points. Sabing, sige, go. Time out? Hindi. Nagsab, okay lang eh. Okay lang yung sub, okay lang. Kasi pagod. Give the ball, ball. Kasi emergency time, emergency. Hindi, kasi emergency naman siya eh. Pag emergency, inaalaw eh. Di ba pag emergency out, inaalaw, di ba? Oo, emergency out. Emergency out eh. O sige. Ito nyo, time out. Dead ball. What? Time out! Wide! Time out wide. Stop clock. It's a 4-point game. 36, Arthur Orendain. 32, Father. Dokitan Steve. Ayos lang pa rin. Yosi tayo. It's only 4-point game. And 9 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Team foul pa rin. There's only 2 team fouls sa black, 2 team fouls sa white. Hoy, mga nagtili mo dyan! Labas! Hindi pa pwede. Magano? Okay, go! It's white ball. Hindi. on white ball. Peko. Peko takes a shot. What a shot again by Peko. One good shot by Peko. 38-32. To Pader. Pader to Rafi. Rafi takes a shot. Oh, miss it. Rebounded by Cortez. 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 To Puerto. Miss it. Rebounded by Cáceres. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. Who's fouled? 82 foul. 82 foul. 38-32. 6-point game. Boss Cáceres. Eh, nag-dribble! Don't dribble, pare. Don't dribble. Hindi naglalaro. 38-32. One point. 38-33. Lambohon. Lambohon. To Batan. Batan. Batan to Lambohon. Fix. Garduque. Garduque takes a shot. And makes it. What a shot by Garduque. 40-33 is a 7-point game. Cortez. Cortez to Pader. To Rafi. Rafi takes a shot. And makes it. What a shot by Rafi. 3-point game. 3-point play. Was ball right? White ball. So it's a 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. Pader hustling. Pader hustling. Hustling Pader. What a defense by Pader. Oh! Oh! Garduque. 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 Oh! Loose ball by the white team. Rafi to Puerto. Puerto dribbling the ball. Puerto. Oh, to Cortez. There's a foul. Was foul red? 82. 82. That's English 82. Oh, 65. 65 now. 14 fouls. Warning. 14 fouls. Sa white. 65 daw yung palta niya. Oh, 48. Takes a shot. And miss Cortez. To Pader to Rafi. There's a foul. And one by Rafi for Dalian. It's a almost 4-point game. Play by Rafi. 4-point play by Rafi, almost there. He makes it one. 40-39. So 1-point game. What a shot by Rafi. Rafi. Free throw. Oh, missed by Rafi. So 1-point game. Karandang. Karandang. What a shot by Garduque. 42-39. It's a 3-point game. 5 minutes and 42 seconds left. It's a 3-point game only. So 1 possession game. 1 possession game. To Puerto. Oh, Puerto loses the ball. Pader. Pader to Puerto. Puerto takes a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Cortez. Cortez takes a shot. And makes it. It's a 1-point game. It's a 1-point. Oh. A live ball called by the referee. It's black ball. It's black ball. Time out. Wait, last time out there. Last time out there, pare. Wala na kayong time out. Pare, wala na kayong time out. Wala na kayong time out. Wala na. Pangalawang time out din eh. Isa pang time out dito, no? Pare, black team, 1 time out. May time out tayo siya. So, it's a 1-point game. In favor of white. 1-point game. Penalty na, ah. White. White is on penalty, ah. Black team. White is on penalty. Dokitan, dokitan. Dokitan. White is on penalty. Penalty sila. Oh. Lakbo. Lakbo. Cortez. 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 Cortez drive. Oh, I miss it. Rebound. What a rebound by Cáceres. Woo! Big rebound by Cáceres. 40-41. It's a 1-point game. It's a 1-point game. Oh, it's a all game. It's a tie balloon game. Yeah, call penalty and white. Penalty. Oh, miss it. Rebounded by Dukitan to Rafi. Rafi takes the shot and makes it. What a shot by Rafi. 45-42. It's a 3-point game. In favor of Black. Willie takes the shot. Oh, it's Black ball. It's Black ball. What a shot by Rafi. Back-to-back three. Father dribbling the ball. Father dribbling the ball in the middle. Takes a shot. Floater. It's white ball called by the referee. It's white ball called by the referee. Peko got the ball. Peko to Karandang drives. Too strong. Rebounded by Dukitan. Woo! Missed by Dukitan. Almost there. Karandang. Wala hustle by Dukitan. Peko hustling the ball. Peko takes a shot and miss it. Loose ball. Peko got the rebound. To Cristobal side. To Peko, to Cristobal. There's a foul. What's that, right? 42 foul. Second personal, 13 foul. By White and by Black. 3-point game. 3 minutes to go. Willie got hustle in the middle. There's a foul. 2 shots left. 25 foul. Sabi. 25 foul. 25. Right side. 45-42. His time left is 2 minutes 35 seconds left. Miss. Pag na-shoot, time out. Oh, time out daw rin pag na-shoot. Wala eh. Cristobal. Miss it. Rebounded by Castres to Father dribbling the ball in the middle. Father, the point guard, the hustle man. Pointing. To Terencio. Oh, miss shot. Castres. There's a foul. Time out tayo? Time out kayo? O, time out daw. Time out daw ng Black. No more time out. Si ano? Ilan pa rin? Pare natin sila eh. Penalty eh. Pare penalty. 2 shot. So, Black is on penalty. Free throw na kayo, pare. The white team is on penalty. Free throw na yung Black. Okay? Pare, penalty na kayo, ha? Penalty na kayo. Every foul is penalty. 2 shot. Okay, isa pa raw. It's a 3-point game. Penalty shot. Okay, nag-3-ball, ay! Basta, hindi niya lahat kayo ni Jonas. Oh, nag-3-ball! Oy! Dahil!
Sa TV tayo next week. Sa TV, sa Omni.
Missed the first shot.
Omni TV.
Second shot.
Ha?
Cortez. Second shot.
Channel 8.
What a back by Cortez. 46-42 is a 4-point game. Lambon to Will. Intercepted by Cortez. What a defense by Cortez. Tahu-tahu sabi ba din? Lambon. White ball still. It's white ball. Lambon. To Garduque. Garduque picks. Garduque takes a shot. What a shot by Garduque. Running shot by Garduque. 44-46. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. 1 possession game. 1 seconds to go. 54 seconds to go. 2-point game. Seconds to go. To Castles. To Cortez. Cortez takes a shot and misses. 42 seconds to go. Willie, the ball. Willie. To Carantado. It passes to the referee. 32 seconds to go. 2-point game. 29 seconds to go. 29 seconds. Father dribbling the ball. 23 seconds to go. Father. Crossover by Father. There's a foul. Lana. It's a running time. No, running time. Lana. Running time, sabi. That's the rule. Running time. Yun ang rule. Okay, so it's a 46-44. Black team, courtesy of Rapi, the gunner, 3-point, Bundalian,
Yan!
original.
46-44.
Nice game. Nasaan na yung bayad lupa?
Bye.
Si Fernando. How's it luck?
Ano di? Oh, duwa mo.
Okay.
Oh.
Kita ba? Miss, di ba?
Third game ka. Katong champion ng komite. Dire, butang mo.
Wala ang bato, naipit.
Ha? Oh, sige. Dito mo ilagay para madali. Dalhin mo dito.
Okay, paano na doon?
Palit na ako.
Coaches of the boarding, we need your appearance here at the table. Coach.
Roll it on now.
Just follow it. Oh, yeah. I'll bring it in.
Mga coach, kailangan mo dito sa table. Yung best point nyo.
Let's do a wide screen, wide shot, and then just keep following. Good job, bro. You played pretty good. Just it's starting. Okay. Yeah, just keep following it. It's a wide shot. I just moved it from there. I'll be on the shot.
3 minutes remaining for the 1 match. Magsisimula tayo on time. Nais ko lang pong ipabatid sa inyong mga kaibigan, may bago tayong referee ngayon. Import. Yes, referee ng FIFA.
Okay, 1 minute. Beginning of the warm-up. Oh, Team Palo. First line. Arnold Sayador. Dennis Campos. Mario Tenerizo. John Pirata. And the manager, Arnold Palo.